Welcome to Great Overload. I'm Anthony, and I just got in the Elgato 4K 60 Pro capture card. So I wanted to do an unboxing of this. I know that there's other stuff out there on this card, but I just picked it up. I just wanted to start recording some more, maybe even BIOS walkthroughs and stuff that computers that I build or come through, and actually have better quality than the last couple of having a camera in front of it and just seeing the glare of the light. So this will be a better capture as well, and maybe even start capturing some, Xbox content as well, just being able to capture that through with what's new with it and those sort of things that are coming out, and this just gives me a better option. I also want to be able to use this to I should be able to do it with a 4K camera if I ever get that. I'm looking at a mirrorless SLR, and hopefully this would be a good option for that. But a little bit on the box here. This is the Elgato. This is the MK.2, so this is their second version of this 4K 60. It's a little bit shorter. It doesn't take up the full slide as you'll see, but it's 4K 60 HDR capture, 240 hertz pass through, so that's your pass through on it. PCIe, low profile, and it's instant game view. It says content is, so if you can see that on there a little bit on that. Content in the box is the device, high and low profile brackets, and HDMI cables. The other side just tells you a little bit about it. On the bottom it tells you that this is eco packaging, so you can recycle it. And then on the back it just goes through some of the tech specs, just a little bit more about it, a little picture of what the device really is. So, not too much with it. People that are going to buy this, I think, already kind of know what they're getting into. And if not, if they're just getting into it, I think that Corsair site does a pretty good, or I should say Corsair, because Corsair bought Elgato now. So this is now a Corsair brand. But this is what it kind of looks like. You have legal information on there. Just the basic stuff. But overall, here you go. So inside the box, I don't want to drop any of this, right? This would be kind of funny. It has the device. It also has a little bit of information of how you set it up. Yep, it basically has how you set it up. Download the Elgato Capture utility. Get started. 4K 60. I might mess with this a little bit on there and just see what it can actually do. But here is, so if I take that out, here's the device itself. It's in its packaging. I'll take that out here. The bracket, so low profile bracket. I do appreciate them not just doing the basically stamped out steel that cuts your fingers. It's very appreciative to do it that way. But then you also have a little Elgato sticker. I'm sure one of my kids will play with that. They also have instructions in different languages. So, yeah, if you want to go through, there's instructions. But then from there, you take this out, and there's the HDMI cable. So, have another HDMI cable. I don't know what version of HDMI it is. I'm guessing it's going to be 2.0, but I could be wrong. If somebody knows that, please leave it. But that's the edge of the box. This is the recyclable box that you have now. And that's all that's here in the case, is all this. So that is a pretty easy unboxing, but I will actually now undo. There it is. They sealed it up. It's slightly different than the last ones, but here it is. The 4K 60 Pro, small little card. I'll stick it in here. I got a Vega 64. Sorry that you're hearing a pump. Stuff turns on in this house. It's supposed to be at a different time. It just doesn't realize it yet. Meaning I have to fix the time on it. power keeps going out every once in a while, and it got delayed. But this overall card, you know, it's quite small. The old version was a much thicker or much larger, and then I believe it was also thicker, but this is a little guy, and it seems like this is the actual one. So you get the 4K Pro 60 there, little heatsink. So I'll throw it in my desktop and see how it works. Let me know what you guys want to see content wise with this. If you want to see anything, or give me some recommendations as well. I'm kind of new to this whole input recording with a capture device like this, so I really want to learn more about it and do some more stuff. Hopefully the 4K camera, there's, you know, I've had other priorities in the last couple months, but this is one thing that my wife and I want to, you know, be able to even take the camera and take some more photos with it as well, at much better quality than our current SLR that's much heavier, and we wanted to kind of consolidate down to something lighter, a little bit better. So with that, I do appreciate you guys very much helping support this channel and helping it grow. I really appreciate it. Let me know if you have any questions or comments. I'm greatly want to do some more research on this. And until next time, God bless, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.